My name is Melissa Hernandez. This is my son, Stelios. So we go to the routine checkup. So one of the ones, I think it was the 3-month appointment. And the doctor recommended that we go see a specialist for the shape of his head. So we saw her, and then she recommended we do physical therapy. Once he got all those checks, the neuro recommended the helmet, and then we saw the Boston O&P. They did like the measurements and basically got the helmet a couple weeks after that. So it was tough in the beginning. I don't think he liked it at first, but now I feel like it's just a part of him. He doesn't know it's on him sometimes, and he doesn't really seem to get bothered by it at all. For me, I guess the whole helmet maintenance of it, just making sure he has helmet free time, cleaning the helmet properly. It's tough at first, but it gets easier in the end because the result is what really matters. His head shape goes to what's supposed to be. I emailed our clinician, and she was very helpful throughout the whole process with any issues I had for the baby. I had sometimes there would be rashes on his face or just how to clean the helmet properly. She was very thorough, and she explained everything in the email. It's not easy in the beginning, but it gets easier throughout the time because you can see the progress of it too. I notice every day that I take the helmet off, the shape of his head looks so much better.